However, if you're still unclear about how to profit with graphics, here are 7 quick ways to do so. Create traffic-getting images for your affiliate sites. This is probably going to be one of the most popular monetization strategies, especially since most affiliate marketers understand the power of having the right images and call to actions on your sites. When it comes to affiliate sites, leveraging images is the fastest and easiest way to get your message across quickly. Create images, graphics and photos for your sales pages that sell your products and/or services. This is going to be another one of our most used purposes for graphics. Our app will allow you to easily create premium quality graphics for your sales pages to really give them that wow factor. You'll be using totally unique and extremely detailed images to give your sales pages that professional touch. Create premium quality images for your clients and charge a premium price. Huge bonus! This is actually a 2-inches-1 monetization strategy. During this limited time charter members offer, we've thrown in our agency rights as a free bonus. This is a huge bonus that we could have easily charged extra for. This means that you'll be able to create and sell any kind of graphics to your clients at a premium price. You can charge a one-time fee for creating graphics for their website and then upsell them the option to create social media images for them as a recurring charge, or give the images for free and charge them monthly to post and manage their social profiles. There's so many options here. Create and sell your own NFTs. We all know how hot NFTs are right now, right? We can't escape it. It's a new art form. And there's a ton of profit for people who are passionate about art, but aren't really the artistic type. With our AI, you're able to create high-end art that you can easily sell as NFTs. Start your own graphics agency and sell your AI images. We're in a world where consumers want to see. That means that if you're not using videos and you run an e-commerce business, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. If you run an e-commerce brand or niche site, using video marketing is a must. Literally, you can't survive without it. With graphics you can make images for all your products in minutes. Print your AI graphics and sell them at art shows. People still love buying unique, high-quality art in printed form. You can have our AI create truly unique and professional level art in a matter of seconds that art enthusiasts would gladly pay hundreds of dollars for that they can frame and hang up in their home or office. Create t-shirts from your designs and sell them online. We all know that the t-shirts will always be hot sellers, right? Well, what better way to profit than to have our AI create all your t-shirt designs for you that you can instantly upload to Garbubble or Shopify and sell right away. And let's not even get started on putting your designs on coffee mugs, posters, stickers, and a ton of other physical products. And these are just a handful of strategies that you can leverage to start profiting with the graphics our AI will be creating for you. We've literally created the easiest way to turn any text into high-end graphics in a matter of seconds to bring in more traffic, leads and profit. And now, enough with the small talk. Let's get to the number one question you probably have right now. How much is it to get access to this futuristic piece of equipment? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because, at first, we couldn't really believe what we had created. Every time Graiphics spits out a new image for us created by real AI, it continues to wow us. The quality of the images are truly that good, as you saw from the examples above. This is probably how you're feeling right now as well. Like, wow, did a machine really create all the images that were posted on this page? Is it really possible to have a machine create amazing, high-quality images for me? And I think that I've answered that question and have proven to you that, yes, it is possible, and we have done it. However, now it's time for you to see it, touch it, feel it for yourself. That's when you'll truly get the full experience of the true power of real artificial intelligence. And with that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the public market and charging a hefty, monthly, recurring fee for it. We know how big the graphics and image niche is, how much it's lacking for a real, reliable product, and how there's no other tool like Graiphics in the JSU marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to Graiphics for this insanely discounted, one-time price, we truly mean it. You may never see it offered at this price, with this much value and with the amazing bonuses posted on this page ever again. Plus, when you create your account today, you'll also be securing these amazing bonuses. And the best part? Today, you'll be securing a huge 73% charter members discount and some exclusive, limited time bonuses not available anywhere else. Bonus #1. Free access to our agency license. $497 value. This bonus here easily packs the most potential profit in your pocket. There are human graphic designers and photographers out there charging crazy amounts of money to create subpar images for other people. Heck, even on Fiverr you'll find people charging $5 - $10 all day long for images that are posted on dozens of other stock images sites for free. Can you imagine how much you can make by charging people to create professional graphics for them and have Graiphics do all the work for you? With this bonus, you'll have full rights to be able to use Graiphics to create and sell images to your clients. Bonus #2. Free access to our upscaler feature. $97 value. This bonus here could have easily been its own upgrade feature, and we actually nearly did break it off on its own. However, we wanted to make sure we over-delivered to the max with what all of our charter members get access to. Graiphics already generates images that are perfectly fine for most cases, however you may find that sometimes, you want some of your images in a bit higher resolution. With this feature, we will process your image in our AI-powered upscaler to generate an image which is 4x the original resolution. This will give you crisper, more precise results that you can never accomplish doing it manually. With one click, you'll be able to images in a much better resolution in a matter of seconds with the power of AI. Bonus #3. Unlock all of our built-in preset options. $97 value. This is yet another feature that we could have held back on and charged a monthly fee for because of how simple it makes it for anyone to use our platform. You can consider our preset options kinda like our done-for-you prompt writers doing all the work for you. Our preset options are our built-in templates that allow even the most non-artistic person to create all kind of images with very little work on your part. These are built-in prompt templates that allow you to literally type just 5 words or less and have high-quality AI images created for you. We were planning to hold some of these back and charge extra to unlock them all, but all of our charter members will get all of our built-in preset options unlocked. Bonus #4. Exclusive, live case study training with $127 in profit. $497 value. Yup, how would you like to join us for an exclusive, never-before-seen training session where we break down exactly how we've brought in over $127,000 in profit with simple images that anyone can create with Graiphics? Well, that's exactly what we'll be sharing with you on this live training that's exclusive for Graiphics customers only. This is a brand new training that no one has ever seen before, nor have we ever revealed it publicly. Talk about some insanely awesome bonuses, right? Yup, we have really stepped the value up on this one. And you can get access to everything we just mentioned above at the crazy, discounted, one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. All you have to do now is choose the package that's right for you.